Today, we will listen to a short English composition called
My garden. My garden is not very large, but it is colourful, peaceful, and full of life. It is one of my favourite places at home because I can spend time outside, breathe fresh air, and enjoy nature. For me, the garden is not just a piece of land, but a special place where I can relax and learn many useful things. In one part of the garden, we grow vegetables. There are rows of tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and carrots. My parents work hard to take care of them, and I sometimes help by watering the plants or pulling out weeds. It is exciting to see how small seeds slowly grow into healthy vegetables. In summer, we enjoy eating fresh salads made from our own garden. On the other side of the garden, there is a beautiful area full of flowers. We have roses, tulips, daisies, and many colourful seasonal plants. The flowers make the garden look bright and cheerful, especially in spring. Butterflies and bees often visit, and I like watching them move from one flower to another. There is also a small path between the vegetable beds and the flower area. Sometimes I walk there in the evening when everything is quiet. The garden feels calm and relaxing after a long day at school. Near the fence, there is a small bench where I sit to read or simply think. I enjoy listening to the birds and feeling the warm sun on my face. Working in the garden has taught me patience and responsibility. Even if my garden is not very big or perfect, I truly love it because it gives us fresh food and beautiful flowers at the same time. In my opinion, it is a wonderful place to grow, learn about nature, and spend meaningful moments with my family.